Stride's bird's eye view of the world's markets shows the strength of each region across all of its exchanges based on clear indicators of investor interest and timing of economic cycle. Each region's market data is summarized by total number of exchanges, total number of companies, a breakdown of share price performance, and market strength. The color-coded pie chart shows in very broad strokes how many companies in each market are currently overvalued and therefore trading above their Stride consider sell price, how many are trading around their Stride fair value, and how many are trading below their Stride consider buy price. The timing score on the right is calculated by the Stride timing engine, just as a company's individual timing score is calculated. This regional market timing score, however, is market cap weighted, ensuring it accurately reflects the volume of money flowing in or out of the market. With a score of 50 representing no movement, anything significantly above or below will change the timing rating to show strong or weak accordingly. This rating indicates how much capital is either pouring into or draining out of a region, giving a high-level view of investor confidence across all of the region's exchanges at a particular time. The Stride targets number shows how many of the businesses in each region currently make it onto the Stride target list. It also illustrates just how specific Stride is in its target selection. In Asia, for instance, out of a total of 21,248 companies, only 97 make the grade as Stride targets. The green arrow will take you directly to this screened list, which you then have the option of editing further to suit your investor profile or other preferences. Back to the markets page, hit the green bar beneath any regional summary for expanded information about all the markets in that region. Click Load More Markets to extend the list further. While the number of markets and companies listed in any region's summary is comprehensive, there are a few exchanges you won't see by default on the expanded list. If we search for some obvious ones first, Japan, India, or New Zealand all bring up exchanges in these countries. However, if we search for Vietnam, and we know all the markets have been loaded, it's clear it doesn't appear on this list. Countries such as Vietnam are omitted by default because they're very difficult to trade in unless you are a national or a local broker trades on your behalf. If you would like to include the hard-to-trade countries, go to Admin and tick the box. Now if we go back to Markets and search for Vietnam again, the exchanges appear. The detail of each individual market is broken down in a similar way to the bird's eye view of the region we started with. Name of the exchange, currency, and total number of companies appear above market timing score and rating. These indicate where the market is currently positioned on the economic cycle. The coloured bars give us a good idea of current market prices and activity, but it's important to look at the numbers too for complete accuracy. Due to the range of these numbers, it's not always possible to depict their percentage of the whole accurately in the coloured bars, which is why we show you both. Let's look at a couple of examples. The TSE market timing is strong. Most of the companies listed are trading around their Stride fair value. 650 are overvalued, and out of the 285 trading at below consider buy price, 11 are Stride targets. This is a pretty balanced market, with both buying and selling opportunities, and the majority of investor money held in stable businesses. Australia, on the other hand, is timed as weak. Over half the businesses here are at or below fair value, meaning it's very cheap to buy there at this time. There are 8 targets, which is currently proportionately very high for such a small market. Compare this with Shenzhen Stock Exchange. This market is overbought, which means it's very strong. 95% of businesses here are overvalued, and money is pouring into this market. Not all of the companies trading at below the Stride consider buy price will be identified as targets, because becoming a Stride target is about more than only price. Clicking on the name of an exchange opens the detailed view. This is covered in another video, available by clicking Interface Help once you're on that page.